I'm Giovanna Ferrari and I'm the International Key Account Manager at SPERONI. Today I'm going to talk to you about UBI. UBI is SPERONI's Intelligent Location Management Solution. The name UBI is taken from Latin and stands for the prefix UBI, referring to the possibility of ensuring that items are placed in their correct location. The electronically controlled UBI station gives you maximum flexibility to allocate and manage all your tool components and tool assemblies. Additionally, you will have full traceability of your valuable inventory, giving you the power to optimize your inventory, which will result in improved planning, direct cost savings, and increased productivity. UBI can be supplied in 3 different configurations. The first is the complete UBI solution, which is made up of a cabinet, a PC, and its integrated software. The second is a freestanding control, so a PC with integrated UBI software that can be used to control external inventory on a customer's pre-existing cabinets, shelves, or racks. The third is UBI software only, which is the software module that can be installed on a customer's pre-owned PC. The security of the UBI cabinet can be guaranteed at a drawer level or single independently controlled compartment within each drawer. It can be supplied in a variety of drawer sizes to fit different types of components, depending on your needs. Each drawer can be independently managed. And it can be configured with pockets or partitions. You can also configure your drawers with electronically locked e-lock compartments of different sizes. All withdraw and deposit operations can be carried out using a barcode scanner. UBI ensures transparent reporting and control of your tool resource. Instead of wasting time looking for tools and components, you will know exactly where they are when you need them. Never run out of tools or find out last minute that you need a critical tool, resulting in your machine tools being temporarily down. By controlling your inventory, you will reduce obsolete tooling and optimize your tool resources by keeping only what you need. UBI will automatically generate purchase requests, allowing you to save precious time that you should be dedicating to your production.